Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here today. So I really need to clean our guest bathroom today, so I'm going to be doing that. I have the kids in their high chairs eating a little snack, but they are almost done, so I'm going to if you hear them in the background, that's what it is. But I'm going to let them out and attempt to clean this bathroom for you guys. I'm going to be using a new cleaner for the glass. It's by Method. It's like a glass cleaner slash multi-purpose cleaner, so I'm really excited about that. It smells really good. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you can get some motivation and maybe clean an area in your house or the bathroom. I know for me, it's really important to keep those areas clean, especially with cold and flu season, always touching like the handles and you know, flushing the toilet and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that for you guys today.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on.
Alright you guys, I'm going to start off by cleaning up all of this clutter you see here on top of the vanity, putting some back in the medicine cabinet. Some of that stuff has to go down in the drawers, such as the toothbrushes, and I think there was toothpaste there as well. My makeup brushes. I was getting lazy and just leaving that stuff out all the time, but we have plenty of room in that drawer underneath there, so I'm just going to start keeping them in there. It's going to make it look so much nicer and neater. I've been using this Method glass and surface cleaner, and it smells so good, and it really leaves the mirrors looking really nice, and I am so happy that I can also use it on the granite, and it leaves no streaks at all, super shiny and really nice.
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers against our fresh like a morning? But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make
You guys, I really love using these microfiber cloths. I think I got them from Amazon, but I'm not quite sure. I will look for a link and I'll put that down below for you guys. But as you can tell, it is making everything super shiny. Combined with that Method glass cleaner, everything just looks spotless and gorgeous.
of you, of you. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my time.
This cabinet, you guys, have seen better days, but it's still in really good condition with 4 kids using this bathroom every day. It gets a little bit of like toothpaste splatter and stuff like that, but nothing major. It does have a little bit of chips in it. The kids always pull up their step stool next to that so they can reach the water when they wash their hands. So, you know, you can expect little scrapes and little dents in there, but so far so good. This cleanser is really shining everything up really well.
But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you, 3D of you.
Alrighty, now time to place everything back where it belongs. Everything's clean, shiny, fresh. I need to get some tissues for that box. And yeah, pretty much just whatever I had laying out before, I'm just wiping it down because it got dusty or just splashed with water. So you want to just, if you're going to leave it out, just make sure you just wipe it off You guys, I am so sorry about the lighting. It keeps dimming in and out, and I just noticed that now. And it was a setting on my camera, and I totally forgot to hit that button. But for the next one, I will totally make sure it's not crazy lighting like this one. Don't forget about the toilet. That's the place that is usually the worst. But anyways, I just use a generic toilet bowl cleanser, and it works really well for what it is. I think I got like a 2-pack for like probably $1.97 or something like that from my Smith store. Alright, you guys, this is the last step here, just dusting with a dry mop, get all the hairs and dust that accumulates on the bottom. Sometimes I just vacuum, but it wasn't bad today, so I just used this mop, a dry mop, and then I will use my other mop, which is called a Bona mop. That one you just wash the pads and basically just use whatever cleanser you want. So I'm using the all-purpose cleanser again, and spraying it all over on the ground, and it works really well. Just need to add some fresh towels, a hand towel here by the sink, and also some towels hanging on the towel bar, and that will be a completed all clean bathroom. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make a new video once a week, and I will see you guys here later. Thanks so much, guys. Love ya. Bye bye.